Hi everyone, so today we just want to take a minute to wrap a sofa, and I hope I could answer some questions how to wrap a sofa and how to make sure your sofa or couch do not get damaged during your move. We're gonna do this with one of the sofas that we have in our yard. It's a bigger sofa, and Richardson is one of our best helpers, gonna help us to wrap it. Hello. Let me just show real quick. The way we wrap the sofa, we want to make sure that all the corners are covered with the blankets, which is this corner is covered with a blanket, and this corner is covered, this corner and the other corner. And we also want to make sure that at the bottom, all the corners at the bottom are covered as well. So you can see that one, and the first one is covered. This way we can make sure it doesn't break any walls, it's not gonna scratch any walls or make any problem with any damages to the sofa or to other things in your residence or to the walls. So yeah, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take off the blankets and then we're gonna wrap it back again to make sure everyone knows how to wrap it. Okay, let's go. So this is basically just gonna give a couple comments about how we wrap this sofa. We usually would do is we take one of the blankets, put it on top from one of the side, and then we take the other blankets, we put it on top as well. Main thing over here, we want to make sure all the legs are covered with this sofa, and then we can wrap the blanket around the legs to make sure that legs are not sticking out. So after that, we're gonna put the third blanket just on top, make sure we cover front and the back of it, and we make sure every inch of gloss surface or sofa surface of the fabric is covered. Yeah, as you can see, this is pretty big sofa, and 3 blankets was enough to cover it if you use the correct blankets. Sometimes some of the blankets are smaller blankets, like a U-Haul blankets or anything like that. You may actually need like 5 or 10 of those blankets just to wrap one sofa. With our professional moving blankets, you should be able to have just 2 or 3 to wrap every sofa. So basically after that, what Richardson does is taping some of the parts to the sofa, make sure it's not flapping around and it's not gonna get stuck once he take it on a dolly and carry it out in the truck. So now he goes around one time, he makes one circle with the tape. Keep in mind, we don't want him to spend all the tape just in wrapping a sofa, so he just make one circle. Now, once he did that, he'd be able to hook up the shrink wrap, excuse me. This is the stretch film. We have special stretch film with a commercial grade thick film that we use especially for wrapping all the bulky furniture. So he did that circle with the tape so he can hook up the stretch film and then start going with the stretch film. So after he started going with the stretch film, he goes many circles around the sofa, make sure all the corners are covered and all the other pieces are covered. After he does that, he's gonna stand it up. Okay. So what we usually do once we finish this, we usually put the shrink wrap over here and we make a couple circles around the sofa. We want to make sure these blankets are not falling off if we carry the sofa upstairs or downstairs, or if we put it on dolly, we want to make sure it's not falling off the sofa and there's no holes in fabric and there's no damage to your sofa. So there is also some ways to spot inexperienced movers. And experienced movers usually keep their thumbs on a shrink wrap when they wrap it, and that's why you can hear sometimes a very loud noise like a squeaking. So we always teach our guys, when you wrap it, you want to use the gloves or you want to just hold the shrink wrap this way so it's not gonna create any weird noises. As we can see, Richardson finishing up, and then he's going to lower it down and then put it on the other side. Okay, and basically this way, as you can see, he can carry the sofa all around. So the last thing we want him to do is to complete the wrapping the legs. Sometimes we'll be able to disconnect the legs from the sofa like unscrew them like that. Sometimes we just have to wrap, so it depends on the sofa. A lot of those newer sofas, the legs usually come out pretty easy, so usually the job like that can be done with one movers. There's some exception in case there's not much space in a place where they wrap it in the living room or anything like that. They may need two movers to complete this job. This way you ensure your sofa stays safe in the truck and is gonna make it in one piece without damaging your residence or without damaging other things. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, okay, perfect. So that's it. That's how you wrap the sofa. All four pieces, all four corners has to be covered in a blanket, as you can see, and every square inch of fabric or gloss surface has to be covered, as you can see. So yeah, in case you need any help with moving services, you can call us. You can search us on Google and call us on this number 619-731-0745. If you have any questions about how to do this or that thing, maybe you think it will be cheaper to rent a truck than hire the movers, call us for a quote. We'll be able to answer all your questions. Even if you don't buy anything from us, we'll be still happy to chat and answer any questions. And have a good day. Take care.